Um, the support slash bunk bed one. So, over here on this, so it has like 4 base, so there's like 4 support beams holding up this main layer, like this main part of where you're gonna be sleeping. And this is just like the shelter. This one is just like this. It says it's like this is holding up, this is holding up a support, this is a support beam, this is a support beam, and then this is like a main base. It's like the base, and it's like it weighs a lot, and it can hold the weight that's up here on the main part. Everything's holding up this, and couldn't really find any pictures like it, but this is kind of like what it is. So it's like support and support and stuff. Support right here, support everywhere, support, and then you have like the layers that you're gonna be on, these layers and stuff. Alright, so since it's kind of hard to explain, I'm just trying to go ahead and draw it over here. So, it's not gonna be like a slant. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be any slants really, but it's just gonna go like right here. And like, you know, drop down like right here, and you get this support. Then you can add like a base right here if you want, or something, because you're gonna be sitting up here. And then you can even like if you want to, you can like add like a wedge going into the tree and on there for like more safety. Then you got a bunch of like brush and stuff right here and leaves. And then so you're gonna be sitting up here, so you're gonna need a lot of weight down here to hold you, like this over here. So then you can add like a stick or tree or twig or something going into the pole and into the tree, or it can just be like out. It can be sitting out right here, but like I said, you can add a wedge. And you can like drop a tarp over it, and you drop it all the way down to the ground to where it's like this, and you can add rocks to hold it down, and over there and stuff. You can add a support right there if you want, and add a rock. So yeah, that is one. Okay, this is number 2. This is the sturdy slash tent one. So I call it the sturdy because, like, as you can see it right here, it's like sturdy, and it's just like the last one. It is being held up by support beams, but it's really sturdy because it's also holding up this. It's actually kind of a hard thing to make, but if you have a tree, it's hard to make like this, but if you have a tree nearby, it's easy to make like this. You can put up against the tree instead of having this. You can just stack it up against the tree. You can also have this. It's like this. This is not bad if you have one like this. You have a stump or anything like this. Just stack stuff up. Put that on top. Stack stuff up on there too. Yeah. And then just add a bunch of brush and stuff up there. And yeah. Your fire right here, just add a bunch of brush up there, and he's gonna add some brush right here to fill this in, so it'll look just like this after he's done with this. I mean, if you just decide just to do like this and add some walls down here and brush and everything, and so it's kind of like a tent because it's like it's being held up right here and right here. Then the material on the tent on the outside, the whatever material this is, like plastic, not plastic, I don't even know what it is, to be honest, like paper or whatever, that takes the place of the brush. And it's kind of like a teepee. You got a brush right here, sturdy stuff all around holding it up, and tied at the top, just like this. And yeah, highest point at the top, just like every single one of these. Highest point is always the stuff where everything else meets. So then yeah, you can make it out of this, and that's the same shape as this and this. So yeah, that is number 2, sturdy slash tent. This one on the last one. So yeah, this is another sturdy slash tent one. Also, you can store your stuff in there too, because there's a lot of space. Alright, now to the hanging hammock. So, hanging slash hammock, my bad. So you have 2 trees or 2 support beams, and you can just hang the hammock or hang your stuff right there. This doesn't have to be actually used for shelter. I've seen a lot of people actually just like use these just to store their stuff in, so they don't have to keep it on the ground. So that's actually a really good idea, to just store your stuff in so you can keep it in the air and not have it on the ground for ants and other stuff to get it. So yeah, here's another example. You didn't have anything supporting it as long as it can hold the weight inside of it, as you can see right here. So yeah, and then this one is a really good one right here. Just add like a rope to 2 support beams, knitting to 2 support beams, then add like a tarp over it, or you can just hang it like, let me show you, or you can just like hang it like this, like connect it to 2 things and just hang it. Also, this tarp can come down. It goes down all the way. You can connect it with rods. You can hold it down with rods like that. So yeah. So the main message that I'm trying to say is that the support beams are like key. So like support is key. Like support is key. Then I'll put like this, because you need to remember this. Also, you guys need to like and subscribe, and then yeah, you guys can rewatch the video and share it. Peace.